It's
time to pick players for the veto competition!
Hi Erica, I'm back. Robbie.
Welcome back, Rob.
Thank you.
Okay, today 6 people will be playing the veto competition. The head of household, the 2 nominees, and the 3 people randomly chosen by us. Jasmine, come pick first.
CFK.
Arnold. AC fan. And Robbie?
Oh, thank you. Ev.
All right, good luck, guys. Thank you.
Go AC fan.